Hello everyone and welcome to the YouTube channel of Femke Kokke. And today I have a scrapbooking layout on Sketch Friday. So as you can guess, I used the sketch of today, and my assignment was to flip it. So instead of putting the photos on the left side, I put them on the right side. And for this layout I gave myself a big challenge because for people who know me, I am being a mixed media scrapbooker for like 4 years, and it's for the first time in all those years that I made a layout without any mixed media. So it's totally a paper scrapbooking page. I typed some text on the computer, printed it out, and then I cut it with my cutting machine. No, again, how was it called? My guillotine. Then you know what I mean. And with a green pencil. It's not a pencil. It's kind of a Sharpie. I drew some lines with a ruler around the edges of the text, and then again I did the same thing with my 0.05 fine liner and a ruler. I made some lines in the text. Now, well, not in the text, but in the text box. I guess you know what I mean. And then I added some of the chipboard letters above. It says "Pretty Girl." I am using two of the pictures of my daughter. We went to the lake. When was it? Monday. It was second Easter day. I don't know if you call it that, but that's how it's called in Holland. And she was laying on the grass, sitting on the grass, and I took a few pictures of her, and I find them very, very lovely. That's also what it says in the text. So I are going to mat my photos on some blue design paper, as you can see, with the pink leaves on it, and I'm going to what am I doing? I have two stickers from the Femke Kokke exclusive stickers, and I put them on some white paper and then cut them out, so they stay together very good. And now I'm also adding some black lines around it, and I glued. I'm still looking for the word gluing or sticking down. I don't know how do you call it in English, but I sticked the camera onto those two stickers. Well, now I am getting everything off my paper so I can glue everything down. Here again, I don't know what's the right word to say that. I have to watch more YouTube movies with the sound on. I always watch YouTube movies with the sound off because most of the time I'm watching the movies with my boyfriend, and he's watching something else, so I turn off the sound. But that's not very good for my English. Maybe it's better for me to turn it on so I can learn something about it from it. Well, here I am gluing down again the letters on my paper, and I chose some cards from the Project Life kit, but as you can see later on in the video, I am changing my mind about it and changing the design papers I'm going to use. All the embellishments, all the die cuts I am gluing down with foam tape, because I like the thickness, the 3D effect of it. So, and all the text is going to be with foam tape as well. To finish my layout, I always draw some edges with my ruler and my 0.05 fine liner around all the edges of the papers, but also around the edges of my die cuts. Not all, because of the flowers I can't do with a ruler, so I let them as they are. But like tabs or labels or tags, as you saw the colorful, the rainbow tag, I put a line around that as well. And for me that's really a, how do you say that, a tick? Is that a right word? I don't know. But I don't do it. That's what I wanted to say, because if I don't, it's not finished for me. I know people don't draw the lines, but I think it makes everything much more finished. Well, here I am adding some of the flowers and some foam tape on the back of the photos, so it all is on the same height. And then I am finishing it with another puffy sticker. It says life is better when you are laughing, and that's a really good quote from my daughter, because she can be a little angry as well, and I love her well, I love her always, but even more when she's smiling. So, well, this is it. I hope you enjoyed my video. Thank you very much for watching, and hope to see you in a next video.